Now, let's say now you are ready to share your work with other people of the world or with the client or whoever that you are building the stuff for. How would you do that, right? So remember I said like every time when you're making changes, you must click build so that your changes can be able to appear here, right? So if you want to send the link with more people, beyond your screen. The next thing that is logical that we're gonna make is basically come to this button to say let's click land, and here you basically review all your changes, and probably we can land it and say scene done, scene done and ready to publish. And then you have an option. You can just lend files or you could lend files and publish. So let's do that, right? So that option will basically update the file for the last time and get them ready to be published. And as I understand it full and how it works is that if you got this free account, you are basically hosting with them, right? You're gonna host the content with them and all this kind of stuff. So it has now given me this option to finish up with the cover image and description to make it stand out, and it's gonna be published. Because of you're using a free account, what I've came to realize with these guys, because you're using a free account, they automatically make sure that whatever that you do on the free account is being published on public for anyone to see. And the only way to have privacy on your stuff, you're gonna have to buy their subscription or stuff like that, you know. So for now, let's just call cool coffee table, right? I didn't get any images. This is the coffee table simulator. My advice would be while you're still testing your thing out, please do get as many images as possible so that you can be able to post as a cover image there, you know. But I believe you can still come back and update the project details after it has been published. So once you have done this, just click done. It should be able to give you a link that you can share it with other people. There we go. I can take this link, right? I can take this link here. I can copy it and share with other people. And we have our table here. It appears like that on 3D environment. But then you can take this link and send it into somebody else's phone so that you can be able to view it there. So if you have done that, guys, you have successfully built your first web augmented reality experience. Halala.